Hi reception, today's speed sound is K. Are you ready? K. K, k, k. K, 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 k. 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 K, k, k. Brilliant. Are you ready? K, k. Kite. Key. K, k. Kitchen. K, k. Kettle. Are you ready? K, k. Kitchen. K, k. Key. K, k. Kite. K, k. Kettle. Now Josh, are you ready? And mix them all up. Key. Kite. Kitchen. Kettle. Bit quicker, ready? Key. Kettle. Kitchen. Kite. Well done. K, k. Kangaroo. They're the same. Oh, I've tried. K, k. Kangaroo. Down the kangaroo's body. Tail and leg. Down the kangaroo's body. Tail and leg. K, k, k. 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 K, k. Kangaroo. K, k, k. K, k. Kangaroo. Kangaroo. K. Down the kangaroo's body. Tail and leg. K, k. K. Kangaroo. K. Kangaroo. Are you ready? Say what you see. K. K. Kangaroo. Kangaroo. K. Kangaroo. K. Kangaroo. We're going to do our super sound spotting, and remember, we are trying to find our k, 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 kangaroo in our pack of cards. We're looking for that one, okay? So get your super sound spotting head on. Are you ready? D. P. I. W. Nk. I think. I stink. Nk. Mmm. Mmm. S. B. A. Ch. Ch. Choo. There it was. K, 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 k. Kangaroo. Did you spot it? I heard you shout that. I knew you did. You're such super sound spotters. Are you ready? We'll do it one more time. Okay, ready? V, y, a, o, e, z, o, t, sh, ng, thing on a string. Qu, k, not the right one though. K, ks, th, r, g, j, kangaroo. Well done, you were brilliant. Sharpen your pencil fingers and get ready to write in the air. Down the kangaroo's body, tail and leg. 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 Should we do it on the table first with our finger? And then we'll pick up the pen. Ready? Down the kangaroo's body, tail and leg. Down the kangaroo's body, tail and leg. Now pick up your pen and either do it on a whiteboard or on a piece of paper. Okay, ready? Down the kangaroo's body, tail and leg. 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 Keep going, keep practicing your kangaroos. So now we're going to do our speed writing and we're going to do 3 words. Okay, I want you to try and use your phonic knowledge and not copy from anybody. And then afterwards I will write the 3 words and we'll see how you got on, and you can always write them at that point if you need to. Are you ready? Now the k sounds quite hard. So some of the words today are a little bit funny. They're not quite normal words, but you'll be able to write them from the way I say them. So the first word is kit. K-it. Kit. K-it. Kit. Have a go. Press pause and I will wait. Now your next word, your second word, is actually a name and it's Kim. Kim. K-I-M. Kim. K-I-M. Kim. Have a go. K-I-M. Kim. Once again, press pause. I can wait. And the third and final word is a bit of a slang word. It's kip. Kip. Some people say that when they mean a sleep or a snooze. I'm going for a kip. K-I-P. Kip. K-I-P. Kip. And remember, all of these words are going to use the k, kangaroo, k, not the k, caterpillar. K-I-P. So k, kangaroo. I-P. I will wait. Press pause. Well done. You're doing brilliantly. So our first word was kit. Are we ready? So starting with the k. Down the kangaroo's body, tail and legs. K, k, I, k, it. insect's body and a dot for his head. K-I-T, tower. Down the tower, across the tower. K-I-T, kit. Did you get that? Well done. Now the next word you did was Kim. It's actually someone's name. Kim. So down the kangaroo's body, tail and leg. K-I-I-I. So again, insect. Body, down his body and a dot for his head. K-I. Mountain. So down Maisie, mountain, mountain. K-I. Kim. Well done. And the last word was kip. Kip, like slang word for having a sleep or a little snooze. A kip. K-k-k-k. Started with a k again. So down the kangaroo's body, tail and legs. K-k-I-I-I. Down the insect's body and a dot for his head. K-I. It's that pirate again, isn't it? Down the pirate's flat, back up and round his face. K-I-P, kip. You did super well today. Well done. Kangaroo is a very hard one to write. And as per usual at this time, we have our usual visitor, Fred. He wants to do some Fred talk. He's so proud of how well you're all doing and he wanted to say hello. So what words have you got for us today, Fred? Okay, I'll tell them. All right, the first word is back. 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 That's Fred's back. There's my back. Can you touch your back? Back. Brilliant. Okay. K-it. K-it. You wrote it. Kit. They did, they wrote it, yeah. Okay. K-is. 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 Kiss. A kiss. Like they get from their mummies and daddies. A kiss. I got a kiss from Fred. Brilliant. Next one, are you ready? Sack. 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 Did you get that? That was a bit tricky. Sack. Well, time to say goodbye, but hopefully you'll join us for your 1.2 word time. See you later. Fred will be there.